Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of low-budget factory business ideas, specifically focusing on how you can leverage simple injection molding machines. It's a fantastic avenue for aspiring entrepreneurs because it allows you to create a wide variety of products with relatively affordable equipment and a manageable initial investment. Let's explore some exciting possibilities. So, what are some viable business ideas that you can actually start with a relatively small budget? First, consider custom plastic components. Many businesses, across various industries, are constantly in need of specific plastic parts, ranging from specialized connectors and brackets to custom casings. For electronics or other equipment, you can offer a service where you design and manufacture these custom parts, specifically catering to a niche market. This approach can be exceptionally lucrative if you can identify a specific industry or sector with unique and ongoing needs for custom plastic components that aren't readily available off the shelf. Next, consider offering custom mold creation as a service. Many small businesses or even dedicated hobbyists may have innovative ideas for plastic products, but simply lack the resources or expertise to create the intricate molds needed for injection molding. You can provide a valuable mold-making service, enabling others to bring their product ideas to life. While this requires investment in the necessary equipment and expertise, it opens the door to a diverse range of projects and potential clients. Another compelling idea is the manufacturing of small plastic toys or figurines. This is an especially appealing area for creative entrepreneurs. You can design your own unique toys, collectible figurines, or decorative items and create small, highly targeted production batches. With a well-defined marketing strategy focused on specific audiences, whether collectors or children, this venture can prove to be a profitable and personally satisfying business. Think about limited edition runs or collaborations to increase appeal. Another very attractive option is creating custom packaging materials. Many businesses, regardless of their size, consistently need various types of custom packaging, such as plastic boxes, trays, or containers. This area demonstrates consistently high demand, as businesses are always searching for ways to package their products safely and attractively, both for protection and presentation. Yet another outstanding idea to consider is the production of customized promotional items. These can encompass keychains, pens, small organizational bins, or other frequently used items that businesses commonly use for marketing or internal purposes. You can specifically cater to local businesses and organizations, offering them custom branded promotional items that amplify their brand visibility and recognition within their immediate community. To increase your chances of success, you'll need a good, reliable injection molding machine. There are a number of affordable, simple models that are perfectly suited for beginners. After this, you'll want to invest in the right materials, including various types of plastic resins and powerful design tools. You'll likely also need to develop your own designs or effectively collaborate with experienced designers to create the molds necessary for production. Marketing is absolutely critical. Create a professional website, actively use social media platforms, and network with potential customers. Focus on delivering consistent quality, competitive pricing, and exceptional customer service. Starting a factory business utilizing injection molding can undoubtedly be challenging, but with unwavering dedication, a well-structured business plan, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, it can be an exceptionally rewarding endeavor. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey.